You guys wanted it? Here it is.
What we do here is go back.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's just a casual coconut. Back with the same voice. It's no joke. I should stop. This is the Hunter 69, 69, 69, XXX, XX. And here, I'm here with the nature documentary, The Banana Tree. Home to many invasive, non-invasive, every single type. Don't you worry, guys. I have protection just in case things get hairy. That was bad. I'm gonna cut that out. Probably not. I'm too lazy. Oh my god, guys. Let's get a good shot of this. Oh my god. If this is what I think it is. It's endangered, but it can't. The last one died at the zoo. Oh god. Well, since it's endangered, you know. By the way, guys, this is a undisclosed location no one's supposed to know about. If I'm caught here, I'm dead. What is that? Oh my gosh. That's what I think it is. This is the most incredible thing. It's a new species, even. You gotta be real careful when touching these guys. These guys are the most deadliest things in the entire world. I'm a poacher. That's what the name description is. It's just that. I can't change who I am. It's just who I am. And if you can't handle that, then that's your problem. What the? Son of a bitch. You killed my family. My only family. This video's cringy. Please let it stop. Ah, I've been hit. Hey, you there! You can't be doing that. I'm part of PETA. PETA. Hey, you can Italian. Hey, spiced meatball. Hey, you can't be killing animals. Oh no! What have I done? I gotta get out of here. I can't live like this. This is goodbye for now. I just can't.
It looks like he may commit suicide. Suicide is badass.